So everybody is interested about the Audi S5, and yes, I can assure you it's still very much broken. So we did loads of progress on the whole repair. Basically the donor car is now almost fully stripped. The only part is remaining that is basically just to cut the right side. I already drilled everything through. The dot welding, I don't know how they are called in English, but they are drilled through. So that means we will be able to start cutting the whole body panel off of it. Glasses of course are gonna come out, that's for sure. The chassis is already cut here and there, and also the other side is also done from there until basically that way. We will only need this part because the car is damaged in here and in here somewhere over there, so yeah. And also guys, because this project costs a lot of money, the only thing you can help me with is just basically liking the video, subscribing if you haven't already, and also just drop a comment in the comment section down below how you feel about the whole this rebuild series, what you want to see next, and just say hi if you want to. So thank you for supporting me, and I hope I can do this for a very long time in here with you guys, and we can build a little community. So thank you for it, and please enjoy the rest of the video. I very much hope you will like this one. So let's drop into it. Alright guys, so that's it for today because we are going home. It's very much raining. It's very much rain. Yeah, so this is how we are right now. We are cleaning the interior and then we're gonna start cutting maybe tomorrow. Alright guys, so I have some stuff behind me right now, if you can see. They are from the donor car, and we are going to put it together next week hopefully, because the goddamn rain planned otherwise. So we couldn't finish the taking apart basically, so yeah. I also took apart the whole car so the interior is basically just nothing but metal. Alright guys, so good everything. Junk there, all of them are junk. I mean there's the exhaust, but still those are junk. And then now the interior. It looks like this so far. We are taking everything, I mean I'm taking everything apart. The body shop dude is cutting the body now, and that also. And there is there you can see the other cut there and there. Or this part is already cut out. There you go. And there also we could get the glasses out, both the back and then the two side back also. So that is very good because they are factory darkened, I guess. So yeah, this is very good. What I'm gonna do now is just gonna continue getting everything apart from there, and then we are gonna be ready to finally cut everything out and then move into the good car. And right now what we will need is to just cut the right side, which is gonna be like a 30-minute job. And then we are going to bring it to the body shop. Also, I'm sorry that I'm not recording the whole stuff, but the body shop dude doesn't want to be on camera. You know, I don't want to put him on camera even though he doesn't want to be on, but the mechanical stuff I'm going to be able to show you guys. So yeah, that's going to be good. In the body shop, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help the body shop dude cut the whole body panels off of the good car, which is going to be around 2-hour job. He said, so we're just gonna quickly do that because we don't need to care about it basically because it's very much wrecked, as you can see on the pictures. And what we're gonna do is then I'm gonna watch, because I never welded before, and then he's gonna weld everything onto the good car. Then we are going to polish it, or I mean the cuts and the weld we're gonna send them off, and then it's gonna be all good to go to the paint shop. So before the paint shop, we are going to bring it back to the warehouse where the donor car was. I am going to do the whole service on the car with some help, but I want to do it fully. That part I will definitely be able to just fully like record everything, because then I will be working on the car alone basically. So that's gonna include an air filter change. Basically all the filters are gonna be changed, new oil, new automatic transmission oil. Also I got the wing mirrors already under work in the mechanic friend of mine. He's trying to make a good one out of the two. Also, every single part that I ordered is here. I got everything, and I can assure you it's not a sponsored video, but if you are looking for very good parts for your car and for very good price, you can check out Ovoko. I'm gonna put the link here. And also the other thing is Allegro. I got my rear lights from Allegro because that was the best in price and the best in quality also. To be honest, I was kind of afraid, but they allowed after payment, so that was good. I could pay whenever I had the product, and they actually delivered it under 3 or 4 days, something like that. To be honest, I am very happy with all the parts that I got so far. I actually got a original RS front grille because the other grill in the bumper that I bought was broken, so the dude actually offered me this, which is very cool. I just don't have a badge for it, so that I will need to get a badge. So yeah, at this point everything is drilled through. Now the bottom side of the car is also done, under the skirt basically, so that is done. I drilled through all of that. I showed you in my previous video that those are done, and now, oh yeah, of course, we have the forklift there. Basically the whole rear suspension is off, and then very safe right here, and this is the only way I can do it, sadly. So here I am doing the dot weldings, like all the way to the very end, to there. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to show you how I'm doing this. So basically, let me see if you will see it or not. You just put it there. Yeah, right there. So all I'm doing is just basically drilling these holes out. Also, this is a dot welding head in the drill, and you need to do it in very low RPM or you're gonna break it. So by the way, this head on it, this is a cobalt head, so it's especially for dot welding, and this is the one that I will need to use to do the very end of it, so the big drilling. This is gonna be the ending drilling, and there is this also, which I did a pre-drilling, so I might just gonna do the pre-drilling again, because that might be able to be good. So yeah, this is gonna be long. So now what we will need to do is just get the right side of the car also, and then we are gonna be good. This is what is happening right now. So in the next week's video, I will hopefully be able to show you guys a completed car in 2 colors, so the white and the gray, and then all the weldings are gonna be sanded. Everything is gonna be ready to go to the paint shop. But as I said before, we're gonna go to the mechanic, so we will be able to give it a proper service, then do the first startup that I will be able to record for you guys, and then after that we're gonna go to the paint shop, and then hopefully in about 2 to 3 weeks the car is gonna be done and we will be ready to do everything with it. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So just stay tuned for the next video where I will be able to show you how the car looks like, and maybe I will be able to show you guys a proper first startup. If not, then it's not gonna be in the next video. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and please just drop a comment in the comment section down below how you like the video, how you like the whole rebuild, and just say hi if you want to. So thank you guys for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. Until then, have a very nice day, stay positive, and I'm out. Bye bye.